400-meter relay. In lane 1, Belleville East. Belleville West in lane 2. Lincoln Way East in 3. Glenbard West in 4. Evanston Township in 5. Downers Grove South in 6. In lane 7, Palatine. In lane 8, Edwardsville. And filling the field of 9, Schaumburg in lane 9.
Ladies and gentlemen, a reminder, team trophies first, second, and third will be awarded after the conclusion of this race, but not before all individual medals from these 4x4s and the 200 are awarded. Now, Lincoln Way East is a dark horse for the team trophy in this race, along with Glenbard West. Glenbard West can only help themselves in this race, along with Lincoln Way East. In the middle of the track, we have Evanston. That's Parker English right now as they go into the three-turn stagger. Downers South, that's Roddick there, and the Evanston exchange is first. Evanston, there's Roddick with the handoff to Samantha Bayton. We'll watch as we get past the break in this final race of the day. Couldn't have had more beautiful conditions past the break. Here we go. That looks like Downers South. There's the Mustangs into the lead. Edwardsville is second. We have Evanston third. Again, we watch for the Hilltoppers and the Griffins here. Downers South first, Edwardsville, Evanston, Palatine, and Schaumburg. Then, this is Bayton for Downers South, Bayton for Edwardsville. You got Huddleston, and then you've got Evanston's Horton. Horton will hand off to Danielle Griffin. This is Griffin now. Lincoln Way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right behind them is Glenbard West. It's Evanston. Downers South, Edwardsville, Palatine, Schaumburg. Still Evanston. Horton for Evanston, Stearns for Downers South, Edwardsville still third. Here's Schaumburg. Schaumburg's, that's Kumamoto coming in now for the anchors, now for the final 400 of the weekend. Edwardsville, Aaliyah Brown. Yes, there she is. Aaliyah Brown for Lincoln Way East. We've got Lincoln Way East into third. Margaret Bangwa is the leader for Evanston. The Wildcats trying to hold on. Downers South is second. That's Tori Franklin. Here comes Aaliyah Brown. Brown trying to get as many points as possible for Lincoln Way East here. The win looks like Evanston. Here comes Lincoln Way East. It will hold for Downers South. Lincoln Way will be third. It looks like Belleville West is fourth. Evanston wins with a 3:48.71. Very close to the record. 3 seconds. 3:50 is Downers South. 3:51 is Lincoln Way. So Lincoln Way gets 7 points to the team total here. Belleville West is fourth. Edwardsville fifth. Schaumburg sixth. Glen Ellen, Glenbard will get 1 point. And that will also factor into the team trophies.
Your runner-up with a time of 3 minutes 50.95 seconds, Downers Grove South. Melissa Raddick, Samantha Baton, Rebecca Stearns, and Tori Franklin. Your state champs with a time of 3 minutes 48.71 seconds, Evanston Township. Runners include Parker English, Janelle Horton, Danielle Griffin, and Margaret Bembouche. 4x4 meter relay 3A.